Hello and welcome to Your Money Matters. I'm Nancy Bearce, your Bernalillo County Treasurer. This is another segment in a series of programs highlighting the Treasurer's Office and its functions to serve you. Today I'd like to welcome Ryan Travelstead, who's our accounting supervisor. Hi, Ryan.
Hi, how's it going, Nancy? Thank you for having me.
Well, thank you for coming on. So what does accounting do in the Treasurer's Office?
Sure, that's a great question. Basically, in previous episodes, you had mentioned that the Treasurer's Office collects and distributes property taxes, and you also invest the county funds. So where accounting steps in is that we track and report all of that activity, in addition to all the cash activity throughout the other county departments.
So Ryan, that's a lot of tracking. Can you tell our customers what that means for them?
Yes, definitely. So each day the office receives payments. Those payments need to be applied to property taxpayers' properties. So that's where accounting steps in. We make sure that those payments get applied. And then at the end of the month, we total up all of the payments that we have received and then calculate out the different public groups' portions of those property taxes that we collect and distribute those. Their share to them.
So you talk about other groups that we collect for. Tell me some of those.
Yeah, some of the larger ones are the state of New Mexico, the city of Albuquerque, Albuquerque Public Schools, Central New Mexico Community College, University of New Mexico Hospital. Those are some of the larger ones. There's several smaller ones. Those are the larger ones.
Okay. And what other cash activities in the county can you talk more about?
Yeah, so as treasurer, you're the banker for all of the county departments. So each department, they essentially have a bank account, and we have to balance that bank account to show that, if they're saying they received a $100 payment, did they actually deposit that $100 into the bank account?
And you talked about cash activities. How do we relate to other departments in the county?
Yeah, so as treasurer, you're the banker for all the other departments. So in accounting, we see all of the cash activity for those other departments. So in a nutshell, accounting is balancing the checkbook for each of the different departments in the county.
Okay. Now besides cash, I know we have investments. Can you talk about how accounting interfaces with investments?
Yeah. So since we're balancing the checkbooks for all of the different departments, and we see all the cash activity in the county, that puts us in a very nice position to know how much money we have to invest and how long we'll need it. We'll know when the funds will come in and when the bills will come due, so we can relay that information to yourself, and then you can make some investment decisions to earn some interest and make the taxpayers' money go farther for them.
That's great news, because I know we also have savings. We don't spend everything every 30 days. So talk about accounting's role in that portion of the investments.
Yeah, it kind of goes back to our first question of tracking and reporting. So any activity that has to do with cash at the county, we track and report it. So this is no different. All of the investment activity is tracked and reported. And then a fun side note is that all of those reports on the investment activity and the bank balances are all published on your transparency website.
Thank you, Ryan. It's good to know your department's here assisting taxpayers. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please visit us at our website at bernco.gov/treasurer or email me at treasurers.bernco.gov or call me at 468-7031 or come on down to One Civic Plaza. Thank you again, and remember, your money matters.